EMC World was in early May. Every year it's just about the biggest storage-specific event. I say storage-specific for two reasons. First, the very nature of IT these days means that even storage-focused events are increasingly about more than storage. You may have already seen other ESG accounts of the event, and we also produced an overview video blog. But there's always storage specificity. My blog accompanying this video gives an extended look at the key storage takeaways this year. So here I'll just offer a couple of 50,000-foot comments, together with details from two EMCers. Even on the storage side, perhaps especially on the storage side, this year's EMC World seemed to me to be way less marketing themeful and rather more market thoughtful. To detail some of these driving thoughts, I spoke first to Barry Ader.
One of the great things we just did at EMC World was we actually had a technology showcase. One of the key themes of that showcase was simplicity. Many of our customers these days are looking to manage more terabytes with less people, and also the skills and the business processes that customers are faced with, that they need to manage things in a much simpler fashion. Some of the things that we talked about at EMC World was showing them where we're heading in terms of managing their storage based upon whether they need a diamond or a gold or a silver or a bronze kind of service level. We did a demo being able to just very quickly, what host do you need, how many terabytes do you need, what service level do you want, and the system automatically goes and figures it all out. So big theme for us is all around simplicity, managing your storage by business process. Good direction for us, and good key takeaway from EMC World.
You'll have noticed that the interview was shot outside a room called Titian. That seems apposite, as Titian is famed for his use and addition of colour. Anyhow, Barry covered EMC's expanded focus on simplicity, SLAs and manageability. Now, to speak about some of the key advances in raw storage components, though still with colour, here's Jonathan Siegal.
We've made a number of great announcements over the past week on both our VNX platforms in the mid-range as well as VMAX high-end platforms. On the VNX side, we've taken a lot of the enterprise capabilities, for example, and bringing them down market. We've taken data rest encryption and implementation from our VMAX and brought it down to our VNX2 customers and made it available as a non-disruptive software upgrade for those customers. We've also done the same with VNXE. We've now blended that with enterprise capabilities from the VNX2, such as fully automated storage tiering, fiber channel, and multi-core optimization, to provide those customers with the ability to support 2 to 3 times the amount of virtual machines and a very small footprint, and to still do so easily for those folks that aren't storage admins by trade. On the VMAX side, we've also done some exciting things in terms of enabling our customers that have VMAXs today or are looking at VMAX to more cost-effectively deploy some of their mission-critical, latency-sensitive applications on a VMAX. So, for example, what we've done now is we've introduced Flash Boost, which gives our customers the ability to essentially improve the performance for read-intensive applications by directly serving those applications in that I/O from Flash. In addition to that, we've come out with new packages called Flash Power Packs, which enables our customers to more cost-effectively purchase Flash for their mission-critical workloads. So essentially what we're enabling with the VMAX is for customers to both improve their service levels and do so at a cost-effective manner for deploying all Flash pools within their array. And then finally, one exciting thing we're doing is really software-defined storage. So we announced Project Liberty. Project Liberty is about providing new levels of freedom, if you will, for our customers to deploy VNX-like software, VNX-like capabilities, if you will, software-defined VNX, and to deploy that in new models, such as potentially spinning up a new VM and running it on commodity hardware, or for example, running it in the cloud, or for example, taking a virtualized software version of VNX and running it at a remote site. So looking at a number of exciting deployment models like that, and getting feedback directly from our partners and from our customers in the near future.
There's more in the written blog, as I said, but for now, behind the hype, million-dollar guarantees, elastic storage, the acquisition of DSSD and so on, some clear storage undercurrents reached the surface. Key amongst them were software-defined storage and hybrid clouds, all wrapped in simplicity. And yes, storage becoming more integrated with apps and IT as a whole. To that degree, EMC World felt like the movie trailer for a forthcoming new world of storage blockbuster.